What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So pretty much I'm in my S5 right now. We haven't started my S5 in about a week because I've been driving the A4, or I've been driving my wife's Jeep. It's been -9, -7 all week long. And yeah, pretty much the S5 has been sitting. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can turn it on, and will it even turn on? So what do you guys think? I don't think it's gonna turn on, but let's just go ahead and give it a shot. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put the foot on the brake. Nothing. The S5 is completely dead. So let's go ahead and open the hood, connect the battery tender, and pretty much let the battery just juice up, and hopefully it'll turn on. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I started getting nervous because I thought it wasn't going to be able to reach, but pretty much positive over here, negative over here. Turned it on, and it's got some juice, so we're pretty much just gonna let it do its thing and give it some minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, so not even with the battery tender, it turned on. So we're going to plan B, which is old school way. We're gonna connect the cables from one car to another, and we'll see what happens. I think it's too dead. We should just give it a second. Yeah, just give it a sec.
It almost started.
I know. We should just give it like what, 5-10 minutes? Yeah, do this thing.
An eternity later.
All right, so after trying multiple different things, it finally turned on. All right, as you guys saw, we pretty much turned on the car, so that was super nice. The car, like I said, hasn't been turned on in about a week. So yeah, so it pretty much did not want to start. So what we're doing right now is we're pretty much gonna go swap out the battery. We probably think the battery is bad because it was giving us a low battery warning on the dash. So pretty much just gonna take it to the mechanic shop, and they said if we get there before 5, we can leave it there. So yeah, hopefully we can get there right away, and we can leave it there because we pretty much don't want to have the car sitting in my parking spot, and then, you know, we try to turn it back on and it doesn't turn back on, and we have to do this all over again. So we just thought it's better if we just take it to the mechanic shop, and then if it doesn't start tomorrow, then they can do whatever they got to do to make sure it's running. So let's go ahead and go to the shop, and I'll see you guys when we get there. I left off the video with us leaving the S5 at the shop. So pretty much we got the S5 back, and obviously it was the battery, it was nothing else. Good thing it wasn't the alternator or anything, it was the battery. So we decided just to go ahead and get a new battery. So I'm going to show you guys how much it actually costs to switch the battery on an S5. All right, guys, so pretty much I want to go ahead and show you how much I paid. Like I said, so it was just a battery. So we ended up paying labor, which was $150. Parts, it was $306 with 86 cents. Somehow there's a discount of $36.91, so it brought it up to a total of $269.95. And then let's see, shop supplies, I don't know what the fuck that is. That's $16.80. And then sales tax here in Illinois, it was 8.25%, which was total of $22.27. So that brought up the total to $459.02. So that's pretty much, if you're looking to change a battery on your S5, this is how much you can kind of, you know, plan on paying. Obviously, if you do it yourself, it's going to pretty much be a lot less. But I didn't do it myself. I took it to a shop. And yeah, this is what I ended up paying, $459.02. So you guys let me know if that was a good deal or if I overpaid. But yeah, that was pretty much my total. Hey guys, so that's pretty much the whole video. You guys saw how cold it was, but we took it to the shop. Like I said, we changed the battery. You guys saw the total, and the car starts perfectly now. So yep, that's pretty much the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to.